fellow mechanics and garage owners. Imagine you are a mechanic who wakes up in the morning to wait for customers who do not even know that you exist or that you offer the services they are looking out for. At every single minute in a day, there are hundreds of motorists looking for a mechanic to solve their automotive problems. The problem is, they do not know that you exist, and even those who do are not sure they have the right solution to their current car problem. It's like living in the pre-Uber times, when your only hope was that customer known to you despite the existence of many others who need your services. The good news is, just like Uber transformed the world by creating a digital marketplace for transportation and making rides on demand and accessible through a simple app, our latest app, Mcarfix, is revolutionizing motor vehicle repairs and maintenance around the world in a similar manner. The Mcarfix Mechanic app, which is part of the Mcarfix platform, is the app for auto repair service providers around the world that not only increases their visibility, but also connects them in real time with motorists in need of car repair and maintenance services. In other words, Mcarfix Mechanics app brings business right to the doorstep of the mechanic. This means with Mcarfix Mechanics app, you no longer need to look for customers. Instead, customers look for you. Customers who already know you and trust you, yet they are complete strangers to you. So what are the key features of Mcarfix Mechanics app? And how does amazing features benefit you as mechanic? This is how, foremost, Mcarfix Mechanics app knows you are a businessman or woman in need of customers. It understands that you want business, real business that generates revenue. Because of this knowledge, it connects you with thousands of motorists and car owners in need of your services, thereby guarantee you of increased customer base. The app also enhances your visibility to a large user base of registered motorists on the app. As a service provider signed up on the Mcarfix Mechanics app, you receive service requests, accept bookings, and manage customer interactions directly through the app. This means you have an idea about the customer's problems even before the car is brought for repair. And there is much more. Mcarfix Mechanics app keeps your customers updated about the progress of their vehicle's servicing and repair process, while also keeping record of the servicing tasks performed on vehicles for future reference and customer satisfaction. The app also increases your revenue and improves your business operations through its efficient service management and customer communication capabilities, while also letting you monitor and follow up on service history and part replacement schedules for your customers, thereby helping you secure repeat business. So, to enjoy these and many other benefits of Mcarfix Mechanics app, download the app on Google Play Store and sign up either as a mechanic or garage. Your business will be transformed for good. Thank you.